Hindi po, sa drinks yan. Wala kami po.
Dito, hindi tayo pwede dito. Wala pang tao. First time ko. Di ba pwedeng mag-swimming pool?
Ha?
Malalim man to sa. Ay, dun, mababaw.
Wow! For here.
CR na sana.
You know what? It's better here. Dito na lang.
Yes.
Kasi may ano. Because it's...
Ah,
Maybe here, it's okay here? Sorry? Here.
We can get you for the beach now.
for the beach pala tayo.
These two lines here is the VIP area.
Okay.
So,
You can, if you want there, it's closer to the bar. And you have the stairs to the beach. Ano ba dito pala? Oo, doon.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are close to the middle of the pool, the bar,
Yes.
the showers there, the washroom is behind.
Thank you.
here, thank you. We can open
The
Umbrella. Dito tayo, dito.
Dito na lang, yung diretso na yan.